Hello. Today we'll be going over the process of correcting 1099 and W-2 forms in Yearli. We're going to be going over how to correct the 1099 form for e-filing and for paper filing, and how to correct the W-2 form. The first step to creating a corrected form is to select your payer. You will click on the payer list button and choose a payer from the list on the left. Double-click on your payer name to open your recipient list. The first correction we will be creating will be for a previously e-filed 1099 miscellaneous form. With a previously e-filed 1099 form, the correction can either be e-filed or paper filed. This process will be for e-filing the correction. Highlight the form in the forms list and then click the blue correct button on the right. Choose the type of correction you will be making, then click Next. Click on the dollar amounts tab at the top of the screen, and then you would enter any applicable changes needed here. Once the changes have been entered, click the Save button, and then click OK to close the window. You'll now have an e-file 1099 form and a corrected 1099 form. To e-file the correction, go to the e-file center and select the corrected 1099 form series option. The next corrected form we will create will be for a 1099 miscellaneous that was not e-filed. The corrected form will be filed on paper. Start by double-clicking on the 1099 mis form in the forms list grid. Next, check the corrected box at the top of the form. Click on the dollar amount tab and make any applicable changes. In this situation, we're removing the amounts entered in rents and entering it into the non-employee compensation. Click Save to save the form, and then OK to close the form. The form can be printed by clicking on the Print button on the main screen. The last correction we will do will be for a W-2 form. The W-2 correction can be e-filed or paper filed. If the original W-2 already exists, double-click on that form in the forms list grid. Click on the W-2C button in the lower right to create the corrected W-2 form. Check the box next to each field that needs to be corrected. On the W-2C, you only enter amounts that need to be changed. If an amount is not changing, do not check that box. Click the Save button. When the entry is complete, a message will appear warning you that unchecked values will be removed from the form. Click Yes to continue. Click OK to close the form. You'll now have a W-2 and a W-2C form list. The W-2C can also be created manually. To do this, click the Add Form button and choose the W-2C form from the drop-down menu. You can then complete the necessary information on the form. You need a copy of the originally filed W-2 form to complete the W-2C this way. Again, you will only enter fields that need to be corrected. To e-file the W-2 correction, go to the e-file center and select the Form W-2C option. To paper file the form, click on Print on the main screen and print the form. If you need further assistance with correcting W-2 or 1099 forms, you can call us at 920-339-3200 or email us at desktop.support@greatland.com.